So hi guys, welcome to my channel. In my first video, I'm gonna create a game using code.org, which the game name is Redbird. First, we have to go to code.org, and then we have to go to Flappy, and then when run, here we have to port. First, we have to do flap large amount, and then I wanted city night, not city day. You can choose whatever you want, but I like city night, and then I like set player, not yellow bird. I want red bird, and then first we have to rename the project red bird, and then we have to put save, and then yeah, and then when hit an obstacle, we have to put end game, and when it hits ground, we have to put end game, and when it passes an obstacle, we have to put score a point. Let's see how much our game is made. Yeah, very large. Wait, I forgot one thing, I think. Set speed. Set it to fast. No, I like it normal. Yeah, so now let's do one more thing. Ground, let's make it as let's make it ground, make it as underwater. No, let's make it lava. And then let's make set ground. Let's make it as I like. Wait. We have made set ground. Set obstacle. Let's make it at as laser cave chimney. Yeah. And then let's make ground. I don't like lava. Let's make it as Santa. Yeah, Santa is good. No. Let's make it ski fight. I think ground is only good. And then yeah, and then let's and now our game is made. So guys, please smash the like and please subscribe and please subscribe the video and please see the whole video.